Hey, what's up guys? This is Paul from Crypto Lifestyle back with another video. In this video we will talk about MaticX, which has just launched, and we have 309,000 MATIC on balance already, so it's been going good guys. Let's see how it works exactly. Alright guys, so we are back. So they have these three plans. Right now you can only invest in the first plan, which will freeze your deposit for 9 days, and then you'll be able to claim the deposit. I've done a test deposit for 10 MATIC just to check it out, okay? And I am able to withdraw 5 MATIC already, so I can withdraw all my interest, okay? And then at the 9th of March I will be able to withdraw my principal. So basically how I see it, I like it because I'm getting 50% in advance, so I'm only risking half of what I put here. So I really like it. Let's see how it will work. I will put 100 MATIC now. You will have to confirm on your MetaMask. Of course, your MetaMask wallet should have Polygon network. You should add the Polygon network. You can do it on chainlist.org. Look for Polygon mainnet, and you can add to MetaMask here if you log in with your wallet. So that's pretty easy. Okay, we just got this deposit confirmed. You'll get a notification, and then if we refresh, let's wait a little bit. It's still going. Okay, took my MATIC, but okay, let's refresh again. Oh, here it is. So you can make as many deposits as you like. I will also go into this sixth one when it's available in like 2 days and 18 hours. So I'm leaving some MATIC for that. And right now I can withdraw my interest from both of these deposits and use it to go to the plan 2, for example. Okay, so let's try it. I mean, there are some bonuses for the interest will increase 5% each day. So the maximum here is 60%, the maximum here is 35. And let's see if it will hit my wallet. So you'll have a withdrawal proof already in one video with the live deposit. Okay, sometimes it takes a bit on MATIC. So let's go back to the lottery page. We have 4,639 MATIC in lottery. You can see the last deposit was by me, and the last deposit will win, but there is still 18 minutes to go. So that's more or less how it works. So you can make as many deposits as you want, and then if you are the last here, you'll win the lottery. So that's unusual, but yeah, in the following 20 minutes, price is given automatically. I really like that. That's nice. So they have a audit by Hayes. I have shown you this on my previous video, so we can check that out to see the plans, everything, the team fee, okay, the referral system they have here, which consists of 5 level, 10.5%, so very good for team builders. You can go to the contract to check out, always check the contract, because, well, sometimes what's on the website doesn't have to be exactly what you'll find. I mean, usually it is, but sorry guys, my internet connection, something's wrong with it, I guess. Let's wait for it a little bit more. Okay, so 1.5 of all deposits save in the Lotto contract separately. So 1.5 percentage of all deposits will go to the lottery. Okay, let's go back and see. Yeah, so we can see that the balance right now is 97,886 MATIC, so it's $150,000. So I guess a lot of people actually took the withdrawn their interest at once. Let's see if I was able to do that. Yeah, it hit my wallet already, so I can also do it here, and I will get 50% of my deposit back, and then I am still able to take out withdraw my principal in like 9 days. I'm pretty sure I will be able to do that because this thing will most probably survive. Of course, this is only my speculation, guys. It's not a financial advice, so always do your own research. Never put too much, guys. Not more than you can afford to lose. This is risky stuff, so you should be aware of that. And don't listen to anyone, okay? Don't listen to me. Don't listen to any YouTuber. Listen to yourself. Do your own research and think for yourself, guys. You can do that. I'm pretty sure. Okay, so yeah, my internet connection is very slow right now, guys. All right, I'll do it. I'll do it later. So yeah, we've seen the contract. You can go to their Telegram. They have a English and a Spanish group, but my internet connection sucks balls. Okay, we should be able to reconnect right now. So yeah, I've visited the Telegram actually. Let's take a look. Okay, so yeah, you can see the videos. They've done good marketing. Yeah, they've done their job, so that's good. So you can join there if you want to ask any questions, you understand anything. There are videos in many languages, so you can find more information here on Telegram. So be sure to do that. I strongly advise you to join my Telegram as well, where I'm doing giveaways and you can ask me anything right there. We are over 400 people there already. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Good luck and see you soon on another video.